Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shafat Najeed, and topic of my presentation is drug discovery and molecular docking. Introduction. In the past, most drugs have been discovered either by identifying or by active ingredients from traditional remedies. But in this, but now we know diseases are controlled at molecular and physiological level. In the past, most drugs were discovered or made from natural resources, but now things are studied at molecular level. Also, shape of an element on molecular level is also well understood. Information of human genome. Human Genome Project was also completed in the year 2003. Drug discovery takes years to decades for discovering new drugs and very costly. It is a very time-consuming process. Definition of drugs. Our people have misconception about drugs. They think that drugs are only addictive things and they have negative impacts, but they are wrong. Drug is any chemical that produces a change in the body. It is a chemical substance when applied to a living organism produces a biological effect. Characteristics: use or potential use in diagnosis or treatment of disease, selective in their action. They are very selective in their action. Drug targets. We will say what are drug targets. Drug target is any molecule in a body. It may be a protein or other molecule that is associated with a particular disease and addressed by a drug. The main targets for drug actions are enzymes, receptors, ion channels, DNA transporters, and so on. In each of these cases, most drugs are effective because they bind to a particular target protein. This specificity is reciprocal. Individual classes of drug bind only to certain targets, and individual targets recognize only certain classes of drugs. The example of enzyme blocking drugs is monoamine oxidase inhibitor group, which are still used occasionally in cases of depression that have not responded to other agents. These drugs are used for antidepressant. Target selection. Target selection in drug discovery is defined as the decision to focus on finding an agent with a particular biological action that is anticipated to have therapeutic utility. Target identification. We have to identify our target. To identify molecular targets that are involved in disease progression. Target valid. Our target must be valid to prove that manipulating the molecular target can provide therapeutic benefit for patients. Enzymes, inhibitors, receptors, agonists, antagonists, ion channels, blockers, transporters, and inhibitors. I will explain these in the next slides. Enzymes. We are well known about enzymes. Enzymes are globular proteins and they have catalytic function. Enzymes catalyze multi-step chemical reactions and achieve phenomenal rate acceleration by matching protein and substrate chemical groups in the transition state. Inhibitors that take advantage of these chemical interactions are among the most potent and effective drugs known. Recently, three new enzyme targets have been validated by FDA approval of new enzyme inhibitors drugs. These include mitogen activated protein kinase, RNA, and dipeptide peptidase 4. These drugs against these enzymes engage important enzyme functional groups such as active site serine in dipeptide peptidase 4. The catalytic chemistry of enzymes is key to designing potent inhibitors and make them a special class of drug target. What are receptors? Receptor is any molecule that have an that accept a stimulus. Stimulus of light, sound. Drug target as a nucleic acid or a protein, e.g. an enzyme or receptor whose activity can be modified by a drug. The drug can be a small molecular weight chemical compound or biological such as an antibody or a recombinant protein. The drug target should have been shown to be effective involved in the disease by relevant in vitro or in vivo models. What are vitro and vivo models? Vitro that are outside of the body, vivo that are inside or within the body. Receptors are the proteins located on surface of cell and inside of the cell act as a drug targets by regulating the cellular process. Receptors drug targets help the people to show it's effective in various disease stages. Ion channels. Ion channels are important drug targets because they play a crucial role in the controlling a very wide spectrum of physiological processes and because their dysfunction can lead to pathophysiology. Given the strong historical precedent that exists from discovery and commercializing successful drugs that modulate the activity of voltage gated sodium, calcium, or potassium channels are ligand-gated ion channels. New generations of therapeutic agents are expected to result from targeting this protein family. Early ion channel drug discovery used classical pharmacological approaches in which profiling animal models designing to stimulate human disease states was used to optimize compound activity even if the nature of molecular target was unclear. Transporters. Transporter may be protein channels or carriers. Membrane transport proteins have central physiological function in maintaining cerebral homeostasis. These transporters are expressed in almost all cerebral cells in which they regulate the movement of a wide range of solutes, including endogenous substrate, xenobiotic, and therapeutic drugs. Altered activity expression of central nervous system transporter has been implicated in the onset and progression of multiple neurological diseases. Neurological diseases are heterogeneous diseases that involve complex pathological alterations with only a few treatment options. Therefore, there is a great need for the development of novel therapeutic treatments. To that end, transporters have emerged recently to be promising therapeutic targets to slow the course of neurological diseases. The objective of this review is to discuss implications. Computer editor discovery. Computational chemistry is the chemistry whose major goals are to create efficient mathematical approximations and computer programs that calculate the properties of future drug molecules and thus helping in the process of drug design and discovery. In this chemistry, we use computer to analyze the data. Molecular docking. Docking is a method which predicts the preferred orientation of one molecule to second when bound to each other to form a stable complex. Docking attempts to find the best match between two things. Molecular docking is one of the most frequently used methods in structure-based drug design due to its ability to predict binding information of small molecule ligands to appropriate target binding site. Docking attempts to find the best matching between two molecules. Characteristics of binding behaviors play an important role in the rotational design of drugs as well as to elucidate fundamental biochemical processes. Ligand are key. The the complementary partners molecule which bind to the receptor ligands are most often small molecules, also the biopolymer receptor or lock. The receiving molecule must commonly have protein or other biopolymer docking. Computational stimulation of the candidate ligand binding to a receptor. Importance of docking in drug design. It is key to rotational drug design. What is a rotational drug design? In which there is a target. The result of docking can be used to find inhibitors for specific target proteins and thus to design new drugs. It is gaining importance as the number of proteins whose structure is known increasing. Due to this, number of well-known proteins are also increasing. This method is useful in the drug discovery and medicinal chemistry, providing insights into molecular recognition. Docking has become an integral part of computer-aided drug design and discovery. Why we do docking? Drug discovery costs are too high, $800 million, 8 to 14 years, and 10,000 compounds. Drug interactions with their receptors in a highly specific and complementary manner. Care of target-based structure. Drug design for lead generation and optimization. It is a compound that shows biological active, is novel, and has the potential of being structurally modified for improved bioactivity selectivity. Structure-based drug design. The field of structure-based drug design is a rapidly growing area in which many successes have occurred in the recent year. The explosion of genomic, proteomic, and structural information has provided hundreds of new targets and opportunities for drug-led discovery. Drug targets usually are protein binding of ligand to a target, docking, rotational drug design benefits. What is bioinformatics? It has many branches like ID formation, management, biotechnology, molecular biology, pharma industry, bioinformatics, and drug discovery. Okay, what is bioinformatics? It is a science of collecting and analyzing complex biological data such as genetics code. Bioinformatics analysis can not only accelerate drug target identification and drug candidate screening and refinement, but also facilitate characterization of side effects and predict drug resistance. Accumulation of protein and RNA structures as well as development of immunology modeling and protein structure stimulation coupled with large structured databases of small molecules and metabolites pave the way for more realistic protein ligand docking experiments and more informative virtual screening. Types of docking. There are two types of docking. Rigid docking. There are two types of docking. Rigid docking. In the rigid docking, molecules are rigid in series space of one of the molecule which binds to an optimal fit with the other molecule in terms of scoring function. It's just like key and lock model of enzyme in which both substances are rigid, flexible docking. In flexible docking, molecules are flexible conformations of receptor and ligand molecules as they pair in complex. They are just like in Biot model of enzyme. Protein-protein docking, that is rigid docking. Both molecules are rigid. Interaction produces no change in conformation similar to lock and key model. Protein-protein interaction is an important phenomenon in cell and molecular biological events. Thereby, it is important to understand the molecular properties of such interactions using biochemical and biophysical techniques. This is laborious and time-consuming, and it is of interest to develop protein. It is depend on interest. Docking, flexible docking. Protein ligand docking. Protein ligand docking is flexible, but the receptor protein is rigid. Interaction produces conformation changes. It produces changes in ligand. Protein ligand docking is a molecular modeling technique. The goal of protein ligand docking is to predict the position and orientations of ligand, a small molecule, when it is bound to protein receptor enzymes. The purpose of protein ligand docking is to find the optimal binding between small molecule ligand and the protein that is generally applied to a drug discovery. Available docking softwares are Dock, Flex, Surflex, Gold, Glide, and many others. Applications of molecular docking in modern drug discovery. We will say application. Determine the lowest free energy structures for the receptor ligand complex search database and rank hits for lead generation. Calculate the differential binding of ligand to two different macromolecular receptors and study the geometry of particle complex. Propose modification of lead molecules to optimize potency or other properties. De novo design for lead generation and library design. Growing evidence of achievements. What are achievements? Are renin and HIV protease inhibitor, and many other achievements of growing evidence. There are also late stage and thrombin and glycogen. Conclusion. Molecular docking gives a promising contribution to identification and optimization of ligand in modern drug discovery. The combination of chemical information of natural products with docking-based spiritual screening will play an important role in drug discovery in the past genomic era as more and more new potential targets emerge from the functional genomic studies. Docking-based spiritual screening leads to much higher hit rate than traditional screening methods. Future directions. Future directions. Pharmaceutical history indicated that natural products provided a large number of drugs to the market, but even for the currently used drug targets, 11 natural products have not been tested completely. Computational medicine methods can contribute its unique role in achieving the task of examining the interaction of all existing natural products with all possible targets and establishing their rotational use. Modern drug discovery demands an integrative approach using many different techniques, but ultimately based on an understanding of the pathophysiology of the disease state to be treated. Targeting drugs at the main pathophysiology process is the key to success. This issue needs to be addressed with multiple screening systems available, which can be used to find new leads. Alhamdulillah. Thank you.